Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question, not found in your textbooks. So, explain specific gravity and what is the relationship with density. So, specific gravity is also known as relative density. It is a ratio of the substance density compared with a reference substance at a given temperature. So we will have density of some substance, and this equation would be the specific gravity multiplied by the density of water, and it will generally be at 4 degrees Celsius at density of 1000 kilogram per meter cubed. So why do we use water? Why do we use the density of water? So water is commonly found everywhere, and water is commonly understood. So that's why we use it as a point of reference. It's easy to understand, and it's available everywhere, and it's cheap. Okay, so that's the reason. Before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video just in case the channel or this video gets in trouble or taken down. I follow all copyright laws, however, sometimes things happen. So I'm sure you're familiar with snipping tool. If you're using a Mac, then use the Mac equivalent of a snipping tool. And it should be in your taskbar. If not, just go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Alright, for those that haven't used it, follow these steps. So once you've got your snipping tool, click on the video option, click on new. Left click, drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, and then hit the replay button on YouTube. Then wait for it to finish. Hit the red square to stop recording, save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.